Good morning. Let's discuss another topic, discrete Fourier transform. First point we'll discuss frequency domain sampling and reconstruction. Let's consider an aperiodic discrete time signal x of n with its Fourier transform capital X of omega as shown in the figure. This Fourier transform is given as x of omega is equal to summation n minus infinity to infinity x of n into e raised to minus j omega n. Say it equation number 1. Suppose that we sample x of omega periodically in the frequency at a spacing of del omega radians between successive samples. Since x of omega is periodic with period 2 pi, only samples in the fundamental frequency range are necessary. For convenience, we take capital N equidistant samples in interval 0 to 2 pi with spacing del omega is equal to 2 pi by capital N as shown in figure. Now consider selection of capital N, that is the number of samples in the frequency domain. Evaluating equation 1 at omega is equal to 2 pi k by capital N, what we will get? Simply replacing omega equal to 2 pi k by capital N, x of 2 pi k by capital N is equal to summation n minus infinity to infinity x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by capital N for k 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. Now this summation in equation 2 can be subdivided into an infinite number of summations where each sum will contain capital N terms. So subdividing x of 2 pi k by n is equal to summation n ranging from minus n to minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by n plus summation n 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by n plus summation n ranging from capital N to 2n minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by n. Like that, we can subdivide previous summation into infinite number of summations, and each summation are having capital N terms. So simplifying this, what we can write, x of 2 pi k by n is equal to first summation, or we can say outer summation L ranging from minus infinity to infinity, inner summation n ranging from ln to ln plus n minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by capital N. Say it equation number 4. Now changing index in inner summation from n to n minus ln and interchanging the order of summation, what we will get? Just see. By putting n to n minus ln, what we will get? We will get inner summation range as 0 to n minus 1, and interchanging this inner summation value to outer summation, what we will get? Next equation, x of 2 pi k by n is equal to summation n 0 to n minus 1 summation L minus infinity to infinity x of n minus ln into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by capital N for value of k 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. Say it equation number 5. Let's consider periodic repetition of x of n sequence which is repeated every n samples. So it is periodic with fundamental period capital N. How to write this? So xp of n, p represent it periodic extension of x of n, xp of n is equal to summation L minus infinity to infinity x of n minus ln. Say it equation number 6. The Fourier series expansion of periodic repetition of x of n, that is Fourier series expansion of xp of n, is given by xp of n is equal to summation k 0 to n minus 1 ck into e raised to j 2 pi k n by n where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1, with Fourier coefficient Ck is equal to 1 by capital N summation n 0 to n minus 1 xp of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by n, where k ranging from 0 to n minus 1. Comparing equation 4 and 7, what we'll get? Ck, that is Fourier coefficient, is given as Ck is equal to 1 by capital N into x of 2 pi k by capital N, where k ranging from 0 to n minus 1. Substituting this equation 9 in 6, what we'll get? Periodic extension of x of n, that is xp of n, is equal to 1 by capital N summation k ranging from 0 to n minus 1 x of 2 pi k by n into e raised to j 2 pi k n by n, where n ranging from 0 to capital N minus 1. Say it equation number 10. This equation 10 provides the reconstruction of periodic signal xp of n from the samples of spectrum x omega.